Hello, Nunong. Good evening. How are you, my friend? I miss you a lot. Happy birthday. I hope our God give you a long age with good health, inshallah. Here, my kids want to say,
Happy birthday, Lola. Happy birthday, Lola.
Jojo. Happy birthday, Nolan.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Bravo عليك, Naif.
Happy birthday, Lola.
Oh, paring Joe. Adreng. Happy birthday. Sana lumaki ka na. Saka magkabuo ka na. I love you.
Hi, I just want to wish you a happy birthday and may you always be healthy and jolly person. Because I know you are always a jolly person. Love you.
Happy birthday, Nolan. The craziest, the funniest, tropa, classmate, barkada. Walang dull moment pagkasama ka kasi walang mapaglagyan yung humor mo sa katawan. That's why love ka namin ng barkada. Ang wish ko lang dahil dual citizen ka na, good health, more blessings, and never-ending love with Angie. Again, happy birthday!
Cheers to senyor. Happy birthday, Yoba. We love you.
Hey, yo! Happy 60th birthday! Senior na tayo. Pero tamo, kilos natin parang 80s pa rin tayo. Basta, masaya lang tayo. Lagi tayong mag-enjoy. Huwag natin stressan ang sarili natin. Basta, happy birthday. Mwah!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Yola. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lola. Kaya ka na.
Happy birthday to you. More birthdays to come. In good health. Ingat palagi.
Hanggang sa kaarawan wala. Enjoy mo ng araw mo. Gawin mo lang. Tara, inuman lang.
Happy birthday, paring Joe.
Happy birthday, Nino. Happy birthday, Nino. Wishing you all the best. Good health. Relax ka na lang. Enjoy life.
Ayob, happy birthday. Enjoy. And more birthdays to come to celebrate. Bye. Happy birthday, Yoba.
Happy birthday, Yoba.
Happy birthday, yo! Enjoy your dual citizenship and your 20% discount. We love you!
Pare, happy birthday. Swelo mo, senior ka na. Dual citizenship ka na. Nadagdagan na naman ng hindi araw, taon nang nadagdag sa'yo. Sana mas marami pang birthday. Maabot ka sana mga 100. Alagaan mo lang yung sarili mo. Importante yung kalusugan eh. Kahit wala tayong pera, importante malusog. Mag-inom na tayo. Magbalik na tayo. Magbalik loob na tayo sa pag-inom. Sabi mo nga, ganito na lang ba tayo? Ganito na lang talaga. Retired na nga eh. Basta alagaan mo lang yung kalusugan. Medyo mahaba-haba pa naman ang labanan. Hindi ko napapakahaba. Baka maiyak ka pa eh. Happy birthday. I love you.
Hello! Hello, Ate Yob. Happy birthday! I wish you good health and more birthdays to come. And ano pa ba? Sasayawan kita. Gusto mo na sayaw? Okay. Request lang dyan. Kung ano yung gusto mo. Okay? Pagtsagaan mo na to. Ala na. Ito na lang. Ito na lang ang pagtsagaan mo. Okay? Kasi, may nanakay sa inuman. Pakapi-kapi na lang. Kaya, ayan, ganyan. Okay. Ingat palagi. Love you.
Yob, happy senior citizen. Wish you good health. Saka, sana kahit na di tayo madalas magkita, lagi tayo masaya, lakas ang pangangatawan. And, love na love ko kayong dalawang mag-asawa. Alam niyo yan, kahit na lagi tayo malayo sa isa't isa at hindi nagkikita. I love you. Happy 60th. Enjoy your 20% discount. Kahit na nagpapahinga ang lola mo, bumati pa rin ako sa iyo kasi love na love kita. Happy birthday!
Hi, Yob. Happy birthday. Wish you all the best and God bless you.
Okay! Happy birthday! Uy, swelo na eh. Seniors na yan. Ang dami ng discount. Ayan. Pati sa maintenance niya, may discount na rin siguro. Lasa. Oh, pakpi ka na niya. Panay kang busy. Di pa ba nagbubukas yung kape yan? Maalis ako, hindi na nakapagkape. Alis na yan. Oh, maano ka niya? Ito. Pasok na ako nito. Nakakayod. Lasa. Hindi ako kumayod. O sige. Happy birthday na lang uli. More birthdays to come.
Hello, paano yun? Happy birthday. Ngayon, meron ka ng dual citizenship. Filipino citizen at senior citizen. At dahil yan, bibigyan kita ng pensyon. At sana marami ka pang birthday na dumating. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. At sana abutan pa kita pag ako ang nag-retire. See you!
Birthday, paring Yob. Wish ko sa birthday mo good health. Kahit na konti lang pera natin. Huwag ka paring magpapatubo magpapakulay ng buhok, Maria. Na kailangan ganito rin. Para talagang 60 years old. Happy birthday ulit, pare. Love you. Pick.
Happy birthday, Tito Yob. I pray that your wish will come true on your birthday.
And dreams and wishes na makamit mo pa. And of course, i-bless ka pa ng maraming blessings together syempre ng one and only mo, si Tita Angie, and of course yung mga bata, mga anak mo, and mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lolo Yob! Kakanta si Toby. Happy birthday, Lolo Yob! Happy birthday! I love you!
Happy birthday, Lolo Yob!
We love you, Lolo Yob.
And we wish you a good health po and happiness.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lolo Yob. Stay kalbo.
Happy birthday, Lolo Yob! I love you!
Wow, kiss mo siya.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! We love you! Tito Yob! We love you! Blah blah blah! Ay, ayaw ng ano!
birthday, Tito Yob! Wish you good health and stay guwapo.
Happy birthday, Tito Yob! Happy birthday, Tito Yob!
Happy birthday, Tito Yob!
Mwah, 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 mwah!
Dapat tayo niyo. Bayaw, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Tata Yob! Love you, Tata Yob!
Happy birthday, Tata Yob! We love you so much!
Happy birthday, Tata Yob!
Happiest birthday to the funniest and craziest uncle. Wish you many more years and I love you.
Happy birthday. It's Slot. I'm sure he loves you. Happy birthday.
We love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Lolo Yob. We love you so much. We hope you have an amazing day today. Happy birthday. Hope it's filled with so much laughter, love. Stay healthy. Make sure you're taking care of your gout and a slot. Happy birthday. Love you so much.
Happy birthday, Tata Yob! Welcome to Dual Citizenship from KM,
Ning, and Seb.
Tito, happy birthday. Wish ko sana good health saka enjoy yung benefits ng senior citizen.
Yeah, happy birthday!
I love you. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Tito Yob! Bro, happy birthday!
Welcome to the senior club.
Happy birthday, Tito. Love you.
Happy birthday. Enjoy your perks.
Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Okay. Ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
And many more.
Happy birthday, bro. Love you.
Wow. Sweet.
Happy 60th birthday, Tito. We love you.
Birthday to
Tuloy mo yan eh.
Happy birthday, 60.
Ayaw maganda.
Kakuripot mo yata ngayon.
Sayang na yung pera. Wala daw
Ay,
siyang
gusto mo,
panganda.
bibili kita ng ice cream eh. Okay, but anyway, I love you. Pagka nakuha mo yung sweldo mo, bigyan mo ako. Ikaw naman. Love you.
Oh, Yob. Happy birthday. Sana dumating ang maraming birthday mo. Araw na ito. Thank you.
Blessed birthday, Yob. Nawa, maging okay na yung nararamdaman mo. More birthday pa and good health palagi.
Happy birthday, Tay!
Love you.
Love you po.
Tay.
Thank you sa lahat ng sacrifices na ito, Tay. Salamat po.
Goodbye.
Tago-tago ako dito, tatay. Babatiin lang kita. Happy birthday. Happy 60. I love you, tatay. Love, araw-araw. Pagpagaling ka na, huwag ka masyado nag-iisip. Sabi ko naman sa'yo, nakakaraos din tayo palagi. Para hindi ka nagkakasakit. Enjoy mo lang yung birthday mo. I love you, tatay. Love.